Did you know that using the right economy flight hacks can save travelers over $500 per trip without spending a dime on upgrades? Yep, economy doesn't have to mean misery. And here's the kicker. Some of these tips even get you closer to a free upgrade without playing the points game. Whether you've got a 6-hour haul or a brutal 16-hour stretch ahead, this video is your survival guide to flying smarter, not harder. These are the real deal tips that airlines won't tell you, but seasoned travelers and flight crew quietly swear by. So, buckle up, because once you learn these 12 hacks, you'll never look at the economy the same way again. Stick around till the end for a bonus trick that literally helped one traveler land fresher than the guy in business class. Let's get into it. Number 1. Master the pre-flight window. Most people treat the day before a flight like any other, but that's a rookie mistake. Think of your body as a machine. How you prep it before takeoff determines how well it performs mid-air. Hydration is key. Start drinking extra water 24 hours before your flight. Skip coffee, alcohol, and heavy sodium foods during this time because they mess with your internal balance and dry you out. Instead, snack on water-rich fruits like cucumbers and oranges, and eat foods high in magnesium like almonds or bananas to ease muscle tension during the flight. Your sleep the night before also matters. Aim for quality over quantity. And don't eat a huge meal right before boarding. It'll make you bloated and sluggish. Treat the pre-flight window like a pit stop before a race. What you do in those final 12 hours can be the difference between landing strong or landing like a zombie. Number 2. The layering strategy. Temperature on airplanes is chaotic. You board and it's boiling, mid-flight it's freezing, and by landing you're sticky and miserable. Here's how smart travelers avoid that mess layering. Start with a moisture-wicking shirt, layer a hoodie or zip-up over it, and finish with a compressible puffer or lightweight jacket. This way you can adjust to any in-flight climate shifts without relying on those flimsy airline blankets that haven't seen a washing machine in weeks. Don't forget your socks. Cold feet are a real issue, especially on overnight flights. And avoid jeans or tight waistbands. Go for comfort-first pants that breathe. If you're wearing sneakers, make sure they're easy to slip off during security, and consider packing a pair of cabin socks or slides for the flight. Dressing smart is like tuning your car's climate control. It might not change the road, but it makes the ride way more enjoyable. Number 3. Book the strategic seat. The difference between a miserable long haul and a bearable one? Seat choice. This isn't about window versus aisle, it's about knowing the aircraft. Use Seat Guru or airline seat maps to find the sweet spots. Bulkhead seats offer extra legroom, and exit rows keep you away from recliners crushing your knees. Avoid seats near restrooms or galley areas. Constant foot traffic and door slams will ruin your sleep. The back rows are usually last to deplane and first to feel turbulence. Want quiet? Stay clear of bassinets and rows near the engines. Frequent flyers swear by the aisle seat on long flights for freedom of movement, but if you plan to sleep, go for the window, and bring a neck pillow that actually works. Choosing your seat is like choosing your driving position on a road trip. It can either wear you down or give you hours of stress-free comfort. Number 4. Go full sleep mode without drugs. Getting real sleep on a plane without pills? Totally possible, if you control your environment like a pro. First, reset your internal clock by syncing your watch to your destination's time before you board. This signals your brain to adjust. Second, invest in a blackout-quality sleep mask. Flimsy airline freebies won't cut it. Add noise-canceling headphones or solid foam earplugs to drown out the crying babies and chatty seatmates. Dress for sleep, warm socks, loose clothing, hoodie up. Skip alcohol and caffeine. It messes with your sleep cycle. Instead, sip water slowly throughout the flight. And here's the trick. Train your brain to sleep in segments. Even 2 90-minute cycles mid-flight will leave you feeling way better than tossing and turning for 6. Think of it like a pit crew resetting your car mid-race. You're not aiming for 8 perfect hours, just enough to recharge and land with energy. Number 5. The DIY Comfort Kit. Comfort in economy class isn't handed to you, you build it. That's where a DIY comfort kit comes in. Start with compression socks. They keep your blood circulating and prevent that nasty swollen ankle feeling. Add a quality neck pillow, not the flimsy U-shaped ones, but a structured model like the Turtle that keeps your head from flopping. Bring lip balm and saline nasal spray to fight the desert dry cabin air. Include a travel footrest. There are inflatable ones that pack tiny, so you can shift your leg position, vital on flights over 6 hours. Don't forget basic hygiene gear, toothbrush, wipes, moisturizer, and deodorant. You'll feel 10 times better landing fresh. Bonus tip? Pack it all in a slim pouch that fits in your seatback pocket. This isn't overkill. It's like bringing your car's comfort features into a stripped-down go-kart. Number 6. Move like a mechanic. Sitting for 10+ hours without movement isn't just uncomfortable, it's risky. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT, is a real threat, especially in tight economy seats. But don't worry, you don't need to do yoga in the aisle. Think small but consistent movement, like a race mechanic tuning parts mid-race. Start with ankle rolls and toe taps while seated. Every 90 minutes, stand up and walk the aisle. Go to the back, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, twist your torso gently. Don't feel awkward. This is your body maintenance. Even seated, flexing your calves and thighs every so often keeps circulation going. Compression socks help too, especially if you're flying overnight. Pro tip: stretch before boarding, during layovers, and right after landing. Frequent flyers call it motion stacking, small efforts that stack into big comfort gains. Treat your body like a machine that needs upkeep, or you'll land feeling like it's been through a junkyard. Number 7. Download entertainment, then double it. Airplane Wi-Fi is basically a gamble. It's expensive, slow, and drops every time you hit turbulence. So don't rely on it. Download entertainment before you even head to the airport. Then, download double what you think you'll need. Trust me. Load up on movies, documentaries, YouTube playlists, podcasts, Spotify albums, and even ebooks or articles through apps like Pocket. Don't forget games. Offline ones like Sudoku, Alto's Odyssey, or Monument Valley are perfect for killing time when everything else fails. Variety is key. You might not feel like watching another movie, but a 30-minute comedy podcast might hit just right at 3 a.m. over the Pacific. Charge all your devices in advance, bring a portable battery, and never trust that your seat will have a working outlet. This isn't over-preparation. It's what seasoned travelers do to stay sane. Think of it like packing an entertainment pit stop kit for your brain. Number 8. Snack like a road tripper. Let's be honest, airline food isn't great, and relying on it can leave you tired, dehydrated, or bloated. Smart flyers think like road trippers. They pack their own fuel. Go for snacks that are portable, clean, and actually satisfying. Protein bars, trail mix, dried fruit, nuts, hard cheese, dark chocolate, and even a well-packed sandwich are winners. Skip salty chips. They'll leave you parched in dry cabin air. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it after security. Staying hydrated curbs fatigue and helps your body handle altitude better. If you're picky, bring electrolyte tablets or powdered drink mixes. Bonus tip: freeze a smoothie or fruit pouch the night before. It'll thaw slowly mid-flight and feel refreshing when everything else tastes like cardboard. Food is energy, and you need that steady stream on long flights. Treat your snack game like fueling up for a cross-country drive. You'll feel sharper and last longer. Number 9. Defend your sleep from fellow passengers. Economy class is full of surprises, snorers, chatty seatmates, kids kicking your seat. If you don't plan ahead, your sleep is done before it starts. First move: pick your seat wisely. Avoid rows near bassinet areas, usually bulkheads, bathrooms, or galleys. These are high-traffic zones that kill sleep quality. Next, build your sleep defense kit. A contoured blackout mask blocks light without crushing your eyes. Add earplugs or noise-canceling headphones for sound control. Layer up so you don't freeze, and use a hoodie or scarf to block your peripheral vision. And here's a weird but effective tip. Use the fake sleeper strategy. As soon as you sit, lean back, put on headphones, close your eyes even if you're not tired. People tend to leave you alone if they think you're already asleep. It's psychological and effective. In economy, you're not just trying to sleep. You're surviving a battlefield of distractions. Number 10. Hack your airport time. Most people sit at the gate and scroll until boarding, but that's a missed opportunity. Your body's about to be stuffed into a tight seat for hours. Move while you can. Walking laps around the terminal even 15 to 20 minutes can make a difference. Stretch out your legs. Many airports now offer yoga rooms, quiet lounges, or even massage chairs. Explore. You'll feel better getting on board after physical movement. If you've got a long layover or early check-in, use apps like Lounge Buddy, or check if your travel credit card gives you lounge access. It's not just about free snacks. It's about cleaner restrooms, better Wi-Fi, and peace. And here's a bonus. Some terminals have art exhibits, nap pods, or even mini cinemas. The airport is no longer just a waiting room. It can be part of the survival strategy. Treat it like a pit lane before a race. Fuel up, stretch out, get focused. Number 11. Adjust your internal clock. Jet lag isn't just annoying, it wrecks your first 48 hours on arrival if you don't manage it. But here's the secret. Start adjusting before you fly. 2 to 3 days ahead of your trip, gradually shift your sleep and meal times by 1 to 2 hours closer to your destination's time zone. Even small tweaks help your body recalibrate. On the plane, change your phone and watch to your destination as soon as you board. Your brain starts syncing to what it sees. Eat and sleep according to the new schedule, not the current one. That means resisting the urge to nap just because your old time says it's bedtime. Elite athletes do this when flying internationally for competitions. It keeps their performance sharp. Think of it as easing your body into a new time zone, like warming up an engine before a race. Less shock, more flow. You'll land sharper and recover faster. Number 12, reset on arrival. You've made it through the flight, but here's where many travelers blow it. They crash into bed right after landing. That's the worst thing you can do. To really reset your body clock, get outside immediately. Natural light is the single strongest cue for your internal clock. Take a walk, grab coffee outdoors, do anything that exposes you to sunlight and keeps you awake until local bedtime. If it's night when you arrive, avoid bright artificial light and screens. Use blue light blockers and go through your regular wind-down routine. Need a nap? Keep it under 30 minutes and set a heart alarm. Any longer and you'll throw your rhythm off completely. Hydrate, eat a light meal, and keep moving. It's like a race car rolling into the pit lane. Don't shut off the engine until everything's reset. The sooner your body adapts, the sooner you can enjoy your trip without feeling like a walking fog machine.